Hello everybody, welcome to AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today, we're not discussing any kind of reviews because I wanted to give you guys an update on a condition that I was diagnosed with just 3 days ago. And, you know, it does take quite a bit of courage to share this with you guys, and the condition is Bell's palsy. Of course, they give it a name that you can't pronounce when you have the darn thing, because my P's and my B's I cannot pronounce. So when someone says, "What's going on with you?" Bell's palsy, like, come on. Couldn't they said, like, given it a different name so that you can at least pronounce that correctly? And that's a condition where the 7th cranial nerve that runs out from the brain into the jaw has been infected. Basically, it's swelled up, and the nerve that comes out of the cranium swells up, presses up against the outside of the cranium, and what happens is that basically puts pressure on the nerve, and there's no pain, but it paralyzes it. And the goal is that the swelling of the nerve goes down so that you can get full use of the nerve. Eventually, I'm on steroids for 5 days. I have to take 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the 5 days. So I have to take 6 at a time, 5 at a time, 4 at a time, and so on. And then I'm taking an antibiotic. I have been tested for Lyme disease. I am still waiting on that. I don't think that's it, because I never had any other kind of symptoms. So this is a condition that is very prevalent. A lot of people that I never knew had it have it, because obviously when you get something, you start doing your own research. Angelina Jolie, George Clooney, my mailman, you know, like people that, like, all of a sudden I'm finding out that have had this condition have actually gotten over it. So it's encouraging, but there's still a long road ahead. And, you know, again, I don't want anybody feeling sorry. I just wanted to really just give this video for those that are experiencing this condition, that keep your head up, and maybe I can be an inspiration to you to say, hey, look, I don't need to hide in the closet. Now, the prognosis is 85% of cure rate for this particular condition. But there's that 15% chance that this ugly mug is going to be on YouTube for the rest of my life. So just wanted to really give you guys just a sneak peek into my life here, and just let you know that everything's going to be all right. Regardless of the outcome, I know the Lord above has his eyes on me, and whether it's in his will to cure me or not, there's a reason why I A, have it, and B, whatever the outcome will be, he will use me for his glory. So I'm okay. I'm okay, and I don't want anybody to feel sorry for me, okay? That's not the purpose of this video at all. As you could see, what happens is the paralyzation is also of the tear duct. And also it affects the bone in the right ear. So you have hypersensitive hearing, which I don't have, but I do have hypersensitive smell. So, for instance, the funny story is there's a garbage truck that was about a quarter mile up the road. And a buddy of mine was sitting next to me, and I said, "Man, do you smell that garbage?" He's like, "No, I don't smell it at all." And I look up and I'm like, it's from that garbage truck a quarter mile up the road. And he's like, "Wow, I can't believe you can smell that." So, you know, there are some perks to this, but, you know, this is my smile. That's it. That's all I can do. I'm frozen on the right side. The great thing here is that I want to be more of an inspiration to those that have this condition and are watching this video hoping for some answers. And, you know, even though I'm in day 3, there's hope. There's definitely hope, because if, you know, each day you wake up, there's hope. So my hope is that with each day, the condition improves. But I know it could take 3 weeks, it could take 6 months, it may not happen at all. But I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful, I'm faithful, and I just wanted to give you guys just a heads up so that the next time I make a video, I don't have to explain all this. I'm not going to hide from this condition. I'm going to continue to move forward. I'm going to continue to produce watch reviews. I have very good faith in the Lord above that regardless if I'm cured or not, my faith is so strong that I know that I have this for a reason, and I'll either be cured for a reason or I'll continue to have it for a reason. But either way, the fact that I'm here talking to you guys above the ground, I hope to be an inspiration to someone that has this currently and is in a little bit of a different state of mind. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today and listening. And I will not stop the watch reviews. I will continue to push forward, and there is life after this. And look, things could be so much worse for me. I am truly blessed, and I'm not going to sit here and complain or anything like that. I just really wanted to give you guys a very honest look into my life, and so that we can move forward. Because I feel like my other option was just not doing this for a while until, I, God forbid, get better. And you know what? I love what I do here, and I don't want to stop it. Now, I could have just hid behind the camera and just did watch reviews, and you probably would have never noticed. But, this channel has become a lot like family. And just like family, I don't want to deprive you guys of information that is pertinent to my condition. So thank you so much for joining me and understanding and listening. And remember, there's always time to be kind to one another. Please do that. And I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless.